Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Hoplet brand microfiber cleaning cloths. This is a 3-pack. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like up close, and test them out, and then let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
All right, so as we get these out of the bag, they're pretty plush, like just big towels. So it's a 3-pack. I just want to show you. Edged, so if you're looking for edgeless, they do offer those as well. Hoplet has those. Sometimes I like them, sometimes I don't. Really nice fluff, great stitching, but really soft microfiber. So just going to show you, me drying some stuff off. Total, so many different capabilities to use a towel like this. So I just want to kind of test it out a little bit, and I'm going to show you as I dry something off, but I'll let you know what I think after that. I figured I'd just show you kind of an example. This isn't necessarily a clean car, but just the absorbency of this does a really nice job of quickly absorbing kind of all that water, and then obviously just trying to get rid of dry, wet spots, stuff like that. Cleanly disappears. Does a really nice job. And then if you're just looking to get rid of some kind of just, I don't know if you can see the dust or not, but dual action kind of handles all that stuff. So these are really big, as you can tell. So great for kind of after a wash, cleanup, just continuing to work doors, stuff like that, to make sure that you end up with a spotless shine. So totally worth it. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.